Do you dream of being in a faraway country where you can feel like stepping back in time? With abundant nature, small-scale living, clean air to breathe, and water to drink. What if I tell you there is a country where it all actually exists? Welcome to Kyrgyzstan. Through which, in 2019, my partner and I took two groups of keen individuals on an expedition in order to teach photography, more sustainable travel, and show them the beauty of this unbelievable country. For a lack of electric cars, we took 3 4x4s and drove through the undisturbed landscapes, where only yurts, small villages, and gravel roads can be found, in search for the kind of places that open the seeking mind and teach it something useful. What is it that people seek here? Well, besides the unfamiliar culture and different ways of approaching life, we came here to find the answer to that dream of purity, the untainted nature of which we've left so little, to then photograph it, take it in for a brief moment, and move on. Amongst all that, we learned lessons from a society few of us have met, with strong tradition, innocence of being, and deep principles of hospitality. All that said, there is a lot to improve, but while we are able to contribute and show our new ways, we invite you to come along. And just in case you're still in doubt, here is a final tribute. The Kyrgyz welcome you, and so do we.